This video will show how to perform a force calibration for the 751 Mini Taubes organ bath system. All we will need to do the calibration is our 5-gram calibration weight. In order to do the calibration, first you need to raise the tissue mounts out of the chamber. You need to remove whatever mount is on the transducer. Then we will hold force 0, or 0 force. Hold it until the light comes on for force calibration. At this point, we can take our 5-gram weight with the tie and hang it on the force transducer. Wait until it stops wiggling. After it is steady, press the force calibration button again, and the calibration is complete. Remove the weight, replace your tissue mount, and the system has been calibrated. For more information and support, please refer to the DMT website or additional resource videos.